Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech 2 Cash, where we explore the smartest ways to work better, earn smarter, and live digital. If you've ever felt distracted, unorganized, or stuck doing too much manually, these 5 free apps will change how you work. These aren't the basic tools you already know. Each one saves time, cuts stress, and helps you stay productive every single day. App 1, Notion. Notion is your all-in-one digital brain. You can take notes, plan your day, track tasks, and even manage projects, all from one screen. It's perfect for creators, students, and freelancers. App 2, Motion. Motion uses AI to plan your daily schedule automatically. You just list your tasks, and it arranges everything into your calendar, no more decision fatigue. App 3, Trello. Trello is a free project board that helps you visualize your work with drag-and-drop cards. Perfect for managing YouTube uploads, client projects, or school deadlines. App 4, the Todoist. This one keeps your goals clear and daily habits consistent. You can set recurring reminders and even integrate it with Google Calendar. App 5, the Forest. If you get distracted easily, Forest helps you stay focused by growing virtual trees as you work. If you leave the app, your tree dies, so you're literally rewarded for staying off your phone. If you found an app you'll try today, drop its name in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More smart digital tools are coming soon on Tech 2 Cash.